Morning, everyone. Joe the Butcher here, the Atomy Man now. Okay. Listen, today is day three, okay, of Why Atomy. All right. Today, I'm going to be talking about no starter kit required. One of the things that a lot of Atomy just never decided to do was make people buy a starter kit when you register. Okay, a lot of companies you have to get in, you register, you buy a starter kit. Well, a starter kit is nothing more than a way to make profit for upline. All right, that's how they make their commissions. If you sign up 10 people with 10 starter kits, guess what? It's a lot of commission for upline. But with Atomy, it's just the total opposite, okay? Their whole philosophy here is absolute quality, absolute price. We have the finest products out there, the highest quality, okay? At the very lowest price possible. No company will compare price with us for the same quality. Okay, so that's a fact known. So why would you have to buy a starter kit, right? Again, Atomy wants everybody to be successful. So you come in, you register for free, no starter kit to buy. You go through your website, you see what you like. If you're using something already, you try our product, okay? Try the Atomy brand. It's all about switching brands slowly as you move forward, okay? Right now, my wife and I probably using about 50, maybe 60 items. We just keep switching over as we run out of something. We switch to the Atomy brand. But there was no starter kit to buy. That's the coolest thing about it. I'm sitting here right now sipping my Atomy Black Arabica coffee. It's fabulous. I don't start a day without it. I totally love it. And guess what? Every sip I take, I earn income for it, okay? Um, it's just a win-win situation, okay? Everybody registers for free, no starter kit to buy, no pressure to buy. Try it out. That's all I can say. But what are you waiting for? It's free to register. Ask me for the link. I'll help you get set up and we'll move from there. But remember, no kit required, no registration fee. Pretty darn good, isn't it? I'll see you on the next video, and hopefully, if you need a link, ask for it. I'll help you set up and help you grow. God bless you all. Bye bye now.